World Watch Grade 1. Okay, we were done with the previous unit number 11. Now we'll start unit number 12, Celebrations, Eid. And its first chapter is The End of Ramadan, page number 48. I'll do the reading first. It is nearly the end of Ramadan. Mama and Baba have not eaten all day. They have waited patiently till evening. The sun goes down. Come on, children, says Mama. It is iftar time and we can eat. After iftar, the children go to the roof with Dada, Mama, and Baba. It is cloudy. They cannot see the moon. Come on, children, says Baba. Time to go down. Oh dear, says Rafe. I want to see the moon. Be patient, says Dada. Just then the clouds go away and they see a beautiful new moon. Hooray! It's Eid tomorrow, shouts Rafi. So here it's almost the end of Ramadan. It's the last day of Ramadan and they're all very excited for the Eid and they go to the roof to see the moon, the new moon of Shawwal. Page number 49, the day of Eid. Finally the day of Eid came. The next day is Eid. They say their Eid prayers at the mosque. Rafe makes an Eid card for his aunt. They are going to have lunch at her house. Mama puts some tasty food and sweets into the bag. Rafe feels hungry. Are we going to Auntie Fatma's now? He asks. Be patient. We'll be soon there, says Dada. Then they get in the car. They stop at the red light. Are we going to Auntie Fatma's now? Asks Rafe. Be patient, says Dada. Wait till the light is green. Now Rafe is very excited. He wants to eat something also and he is very excited to see Auntie Fatma. So let's see what happens next. And every time he asks a question, are we there? Are we there? But Dada tells him that be patient, stay calm, you'll get to know where are we going. Page number 50, 12.3, Eid Mubarak. The topic name is Eid Mubarak. They are near Auntie Fatma's house. Rafe is very hungry. Baba sees a poor family beside the road. Let's give them our food, he says. Baba gives them all the food. Eid Mubarak, he says to them. Soon they reach Auntie Fatma's house. Eid Mubarak, she says and hugs them. Come on in. Open your Eid presents. Rafe gives her his card. What a lovely card, she says. Thank you, Rafe. Giving the card makes Rafe feel really happy. Later, all families sit down and have a delicious lunch. Rafe is glad that he was patient. So finally, Rafe got the food. They reached Auntie Fatma's house, but meanwhile they were going, they saw what? They saw a family, a poor family. Obviously, they also need to celebrate Eid. So Baba says, let's give them our food so that they can enjoy their Eid. They can celebrate their Eid like every other person. So Baba gave the food to the family. And then when they reach Auntie Fatma's house, they open gifts, they open the cards. Cards and gifts are the way of sharing love. So they give each other the presents and cards, and then later on they ate their delicious food. Next, page number 51, 12.4. The topic name is Respecting Others. Some people are young, some people are old. Some hair is black, some hair is gold. Some people are short, some people are tall. Some hands are big, some hands are small. Some people are foolish, some people are wise. Some people are truthful, some people tell lies. Some people are poor, some people are rich. Some people are Muslims and some are rich, Sikhs. Some people are Christian, some people Hindu. They can all be my friends and you can too. What does this mean? It's basically a rhythmic poem. So, in this page, what we get to know is that we have every kind of human being. We all are human beings. So, some people are young, like they're young, and some people are old. But and some has black hair, some has gold hair, some are short, some are tall, some are foolish, some tells lies. Like we have every kind of human being in our planet. What we should do is we should respect everyone, whether they are short, whether they are tall, whether they are big, whether they are small, whether they are Muslims or non-Muslims. Whosoever a person is, what we should do, we should respect them, because it is must that we should respect our elders, our every culture and every person. Now we will do the question and answers. We were done with the question number 1, the end of Ramadan, but still I will dictate that for you, revise that for you. Question number 1 was, what do people usually do before Eid al-Fitr? The answer is, people fast from sunrise to sunset every day for a month before Eid al-Fitr. Question number 2 is, the end of Ramadan. What does fasting teach us? The answer is, fasting teaches us to be patient and think of others who have little food. Question number 3, the day of Eid, page number 49. Question number 3, what do we do on Eid? We wear new clothes, offer Eid prayer, and say Eid Mubarak to all. Question number 4, what is the importance of helping others? Answer, helping others is important because we will help others, then they will also help us. Question number 5, how can we help poor people? We can help them by giving them food, money, or shelter to live. Question number 6, how Hindus celebrate their festivals? Hindus celebrate Diwali. They say prayer in a temple. Question number 7, how do Christians celebrate their festivals? Answer, Christians celebrate Christmas. They offer prayer in a church. Question number 8, the last question, how do Sikhs celebrate their festivals? Sikhs celebrate Baisakhi. They say prayer in Gurdwara. And then we will do the worksheet. Now we will do the worksheet. The worksheet is about the information about traffic lights basically. Your first blank is we dash at the red light. Second is we dash at the yellow light. Third is we dash at the green light. Then you have another question. Put these rules for crossing the roads in right order. These rules are not in order. You have to write these in orders. The first is, then look right again. Then you have first stop, look and listen. Then you have if the road is empty, cross carefully. And the last one, look right and then left.